This is not on. Guys, I'm here in Tembisa Hospital right now as we speak. Look how our human beings been stored. I may call it stored, because you cannot stay or sleep in such place. Yeba kwethu bhekani indawo kaThembisa. Ngisesibhedlele manje ngilethe omunye umfana wami. Bhekani kunjani, bhekani kunjani, bhekani abantu. Bhekani abantu, bhekani abantu kunjani phansi. Sibhekeni nje bakwethu ukuthi kunjani eThembisa Hospital. Sibheke nje indawo, akuna nurse, akuna doctor, akuna muntu. Wonke umuntu ulele phansi. Kuphansi phezulu, bhekani nje. Umfowethu lana ufida ubhuti wakhe. Ufida ubhuti wakhe because akuna muntu, akuna lutho. Akuna next. Bhekani madoda, bhekani madoda, bhekani madoda. Kunjani community. Yeah, let us.
This is not on, man. This must go to government, man. This is not on, man.
Let us try something, guys, as a community. Councillor, mayors, MEC, health department, let us come here and see what's going on in Tembisa Hospital. This is not on at all. This is not.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, imhlolo lesubone ku video aliqophe ngibhodi lana wayefaka lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana la sibona khona simo salapha eThembisa Hospital kokuthi sibi kangakanani, sisivisana buhlungu kangakanani. Siyabona guys bantu ama patients nawalele phansi kungqolile labalele khona, akunabonesi bokubanaka guys. Mhlolo lo. So this guy was saying ukuthi chana i-government it needs to do something ongalisibhedlela lesi, because what is this? Muntu wani uyambona ukuthi akakadli, ulele phansi, abageziswa. Shothi vele mawungana sihlobo sokuthi sithe kuchecker lana o vele kubonana uyotifela utifele because of indlala, awugezi, awunathi amaphilisi. Bababekile bababhakile nje lapha yana kungqolile guys labahleli khona. Siyambona nangibhodi utobona sihlobo sakhe naye uyazama kuzidlisa nje obumphathele kudla, but uyabona guys kakambathi akunamashidi lalele khona utilalele njena. So this guy is saying ukuthi qhana mhlolo phela lona, and people are blaming ANC nebantu who are actually voting for ANC, saying ukuthi ngiko lokhu lesikuvotelako lokhu, ngiko lokhu lesikubhadalela ma tax lokhu, because ma tax ethu ayadonswa. But now ma services liyatholwa bafowethu etibhedlela. Naku indlela sibona bafowethu baphatheka ngakhona etibhedlela. Yet kunebani lesebathi lasabathi ma foreigners awahlale la South Africa. Sibe simo sinje la South Africa, sibe simo vele sisibi la South Africa. Cha shem kubhlungu kubhadala tax eSouth Africa, because i-tax yakho uyayibhadala but ayikho ayikho into right ehamba kahle eSouth Africa nje. Abantu bahleli sona balele phansi, umuntu nomagula uyophila njani? Ingqono umuntu atihlalele ekhaya vela atifele ekhaya, because uhamba uyohlala esibhedlela la unganakho khona at least ekhaya udoba nebantu labakugadako, labakunakako, labakuchikako, bakunika kudla. But mawuhlala esibhedlela nje uhlale sona labantu batehlalela abana madrip, abana lutho, labahleli khona kungqolile. Ngisho ugula uhlale enzaweni engqolile, ungagezi, ungadli, ngeke uzuphile. There is no way nje ungaphila ngisho noma ngabe utophila, but mase uhlala condition le nje utofa noma ngabe utophila. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.